Above average temperatures have been the main story here in Marquette in the month of September, and that continued yesterday with 73 degrees for a high and 56 for a low, about 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. Nowhere near records, though, of 86 and 30 respectively, occurring in 2000 and 1974. Our days continue to get shorter right now at 12 hours and 19 minutes. Remember, our autumnal equinox will be occurring later on this week. As we look at those temperatures this afternoon, they topped out into those low to mid 70s. 73 in Marquette, 75 in Munising, 75 in Iron Mountain. So overall, very warm for this time of the year. As we look at those winds, still blowing pretty strong, especially towards the western portion of our viewing area. 22 in Ironwood, and even 25 in Houghton. As we look towards the east, though, it's still coming out of the southwest ahead of the cold front. 13 in Marquette and 12 in Munising, but that will eventually change more into the west as we go later on into the evening. As we look at the weather headlines for tonight, you'll see that showers are going to dominate very early on, but it'll eventually be clearing as we go into the overnight hours. It's going to be warm with abundant sunshine, and we're going to see a lot of those good weather conditions continuing into tomorrow night, as those overnight temperatures will be mild with partly cloudy skies before changes come as we go into the second half of the work week. For tonight, for our Monday, warm temperatures dominated the Ohio Valley, 80 degrees, especially into Ohio and Kentucky, but a lot more toastier towards the west, 90s in Kansas and into parts of Oklahoma. But for us in the Great Lakes, a cold front has been the main story today to start out our work week. Thunderstorms especially into Michigan and Wisconsin, a couple of showers on the backside of it into Minnesota, and that's eventually going to push rapidly towards the east into the overnight hours. So you'll really see that noticing clearing trend, especially with high pressure taking control over the area tomorrow, and that's going to bring still warm conditions but a lot less humidity. So really when it comes to that ick factor, it will be a lot more tolerable outside, with most of the showers now affecting just to the southeast of Washington, D.C. As we look into tonight, it's going to be a mild one, 52 degrees, partly cloudy skies with those winds coming out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. As we look at the futurecast, you'll notice that we'll still have clear conditions with a couple of clouds here and there as we go into the overnight, but really a great day tomorrow. It's still going to be mild. We'll see more of a presence of those showers starting to come into the viewing area, especially going into Tuesday night and into really Wednesday. That's really when conditions are going to begin to go downhill as we increase those cloudy skies and even those rain chances, and especially going into Wednesday. So really watch out for that rain. Give yourself extra minutes driving and have that poncho with you when you're going to work and school. And that's really going to be more the trend as we go into the second half of the work week. For tomorrow, mostly sunny and warm with those winds coming out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures are going to be relatively above average into those mid to upper 70s, 77 in Florence and Crystal Falls. And even further towards the east, still warm at 75 degrees in Munising. As we look at the day planner for our Tuesday, 54 degrees, partly cloudy skies. It will rapidly rebound into those mid-70s with sunrise occurring at 7:29 a.m. and temperatures will fall at 50 degrees for tomorrow night. For the next 7 days, you notice that those temperatures are going to take a tumble into those low 60s by Thursday, but have that umbrella with you on Wednesday and Thursday with those rain chances up to 50%. And that cool trend will continue even into Friday, where we finally fall into the 50s, and morning lows for going into the weekend will be in the 40s. So really, a lot of gloomy days ahead. So if you're looking for that heat, enjoy it tomorrow.